Very good morning students. In this video we are going to see Nazi the world view. Means the coming part we are going to discuss what was the Nazism or how they was giving idea to the people, how they was practicing, like that things we are going to discuss. According to Nazi ideology, there was no equality between people but only racial hierarchy. And up to that time we was discussing in Germany or Italy, then France, Russia, they was trying to make the equality in the name of work or like that, different things we have discussed. And here when we are coming to Germany with the Nazism, they are saying like that the particular race, that is especially the German race of Aryans was they are the topper one, and other like Jews and other people, they are in the lower. That hierarchical order what we had here in India with the casteism, same way they are giving the idea there in Germany. For example, in India we are having the Brahmins in the upper caste and the untouchables, they are in the lower strata or lower level. In the same way, in Germany, Nordic German Aryans were at the top, while Jews were at the lowest, while all other races are between them. New territories had to be acquired for settlement of Nordic German Aryan race. Why they are making all the attempt to make war with other people? To keep their race in a protected one or settled one. Then racial utopia. Hitler divided and occupied northwestern Poland, and he divided and he is occupied the Poland. First he started to attack Poland and he occupied that one, and for what purpose? To settle the Nordic Aryan German Aryans. Poles were forced to leave their home. Hitler, he forced the Poland people to move away from the their own motherland, and for what purpose? To keep the Aryans to settle there. Educated Polish classes were murdered, and those who are educated in Poland, they Hitler and his people killed them. Then comes youth in Nazi Germany. In Germany, what was the condition of youth, that we are going to see. All schools were cleansed and purified, means Jewish teachers were dismissed. And what the word is using by Nazi group or Hitler, that is, we want to clean our school or purify our school, means those who are working from the lower caste, the teachers and students, they sent out of the school. Jews and physically handicapped and gypsies were thrown out of the school and later sent them to gas chambers. Those who were studying in the school and colleges, they taken away from the school and college first, then later they sent to the gas chambers, and the word what they was using like that, final solution. For the final solution, Nazi government sent them to gas chambers. A prolonged period of ideological training for good German students. For what was the aim of this doing like this, sending the Jews or the gypsies out of the school? Because they want to train the German students, the good German students, means Nordic Aryan German Aryan children. They want to get the training, and for according to their racial ideology, for that purpose. And school textbooks were rewritten. Racial science was introduced to justify Nazi idea of race. Nazi people or Nazi government was giving the idea of the which one race. So they want to make use that idea in the textbook or as a school curriculum. Then only people will believe it. They want to justify why they are doing all these things. Children were taught a loyal and submissive and hate Jews and worship Hitler, and they was getting the main 4 theme in their school. Loyal, they want to be loyal to the king, means Hitler or Nazi government, and they want to submit themselves, or they want to be submissive. And next one, they want to hate not only Jews, here it is given Jews, means the lower caste people, gypsies, Jews, and that people want to be hate in the society. Then worship Hitler. The next one, they want to worship, means they want to consider Hitler as a god. 10-year-old had to enter young work, that is the another one, means the youth age when it's starting, they are getting another one type of training, and the training according to the age they are giving, and in that the severity related to the topics what we discussed before, loyal, submissive, hate Jews and worship, it is going to increase. Then at age of 14, all boys had to join the Nazi youth organization, or in other ways Hitler Youth. They want to, all 14 years old children want to join before 10th standard. According to our system, before 10th standard they want to join in the Hitler Youth Association. They joined as a labor service at 18, means they, whenever Hitler want to go and fight with other country, they want to get the army. For that purpose, what he is saying, all of them want to join at the age of 18 to the labor service. Then Nazi cult of motherhood, means what culture they given about motherhood in Nazi Germany, that we are going to discuss. Okay, boys were taught to be aggressive, masculine and steel hearted, means they want to be very angry to the society, those who are, means the lower caste and lower class and lower race. At the same time they want to show their masculine power, means physical power they want to show, and their heart should not be show any sympathy or any empathy to anyone. It should be hard hearted. Girls had to become good mothers and rear pure blooded Aryan children, and girls duty what it was, they want to become a good mother to keep the race purity, and they should not get contaminated by marrying other race people like that. All mothers were not treated equally, even though they are saying like that all girls want to keep the pure blooded Aryan children, that then also they was not getting equality in the society. Women who bore racially undesirable children were punished, and those who are saying like that I want to marry other race people, they used to get, and if they are getting children from that race, other race, then they used to get punishment. And women who produce racially desirable children were awarded, that is according to number. For example, if your girl is getting, means mother is getting 4 children, she will get a special award, and if mother is getting 8 children or 10 children, they are getting some other awards, like that they was giving awards. Even still in Germany we can see like this, some not in the because of this Aryan racism and other things, because of lack of children, or the ladies are not ready to give birth to child. That's why now government again announced all these things. If the mother is getting 8 children, they are getting a special honor from the president, like that. Some awards they already, not now, 10 years or before onwards they was giving to the ladies. Then honor crosses were awarded to encourage women to produce many children. Women who did not follow prescribed code of conduct were publicly condemned or severely punished, and if the ladies are not ready to obey all these words, then they used to get the punishment, or they was to say like that you are a criminal and you are not obeying the king's words, like that they was saying. Then art of propaganda. Mass killing were termed special treatment, final solution, euthanasia, selection or disinfection. So instead of killing or murder, that like that words they never used in Germany, even though they was killing many people, or they was sending them to gas chamber many people. What the words they used? They used the special terms. What it is? Special treatment, or final solution, or euthanasia, or selection or disinfection. Nazi ideas were spread through visual images, films, radio, posters, catchy slogans and leaflets. Whenever we are making the new program, this is the same way Nazi government also done. In posters, enemies of Germans such as Jews were shown as evil, and they want to show that one they was showing Jews as the evil. Means if that particular thing is against to us, if the people all of them feeling the same way, then only they will make means they will support Nazism or to attack the Jews and other Jews or the lower level people. For that purpose, what they was using, they was showing like the Jews as the evil. So knowingly or unknowingly, all people will get that hatred in their mind to work against Jews. Okay, we'll continue in next video.